Boys and girls, I'm going to show you how you're going to complete your math work for today. So you just watch this video and your next slide will be this video teaching you what to do for your math assignment. But your next job is to find this button on your keyboard in your Chromebook. So you're going to go ahead and click on it. And it will open up your Google Slides just like this, and you'll be able to see all your work on the side. So your first assignment is here. You're going to be clicking and dragging similar to the last assignment that you did last week. So you're going to count the houses and then match it. For example, this one has 1, 2. This one has 2. So I'm going to select it and drag it. Then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to find which set of houses has 4, and then I will do the same for the numbers. And for the next one, this one you will count the erasers and the pencils. But this one's a little trickier because you have to match both of them. So we'll do the first one together. So this one, I'm going to count the erasers is 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to look for a 3 for erasers and a 4 for pencils. And it's this one. So I'm going to click and drag it over. And my last job for this question is I'm going to put the circle on the number that it has the most, the greater number. So for example, this one is 4. So then you would do that for the rest, for the next two, which would be these two, and then you match them and make sure you put the circle on top of the number that has more or is greater. On this one, you have the numbers 3 and the number 4. So you're going to match the glue to the number. So for example, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to click on it and decide which one is 4, and then do the next one and decide where it goes. And this one I'm going to count the crayons and match the numbers to it on the gray spots. Same for the next one. And for this one, I'm going to count the school buses and match the number to it. And this one, you're going to count the objects and match them to the number. And that is all you have to do for math. And when you finish that, you're going to go back and click on the present. So then all your videos and other work is displayed on your screen. And that is it. Don't forget to do all of the problems, all of the math questions, and turn in your work at the end.